The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with pulleys. First, let's start with a definition. A pulley is a grooved wheel that turns readily on an axle and is supported by a frame. A fixed pulley is fastened to a fixed object. A movable pulley is fastened to the object to be moved. A pulley system consists of combinations of fixed and movable pulleys. In this picture, we have a fixed pulley that is attached to the ceiling on the left, and a movable pulley that is attached to the object we are moving on the right. Typically, pulleys are used to magnify an input force to be able to lift a heavier load. The picture on the left is a bit deceiving because this pulley doesn't actually magnify the force at all, since there is no mechanical advantage. On the right, this pulley system does magnify the force because we have multiple pulleys lifting the load. As a matter of fact, the 3 pulleys on top are all fixed pulleys, and the 3 pulleys on the bottom are all movable pulleys. Again, a fixed pulley is firmly attached and does not move up or down like the 3 on top. A movable pulley always moves up and down with the load, like the 3 pulleys on the bottom. Just like in levers and the wheel and axle, we can calculate the mechanical advantage of a pulley system. The mechanical advantage of a pulley system is the number of strands holding the load. Essentially, a strand is a rope that holds the pulley from the ceiling. Another way to think of a strand is any time the effort force points up or is attached, that counts as a strand. We will go through several examples to explain what I mean by the term strand in the next video.